Welcome everyone to the Balanced by Meghan YouTube channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to make lemon pink Himalayan detox morning water. So for the first thing that I do in the morning is I get up, I tongue scrape, but we'll get more into that later. And then I walk down to our kitchen, I flick the kettle on, and if there's no water in the kettle, then fill it up. And then I grab a glass and I fill it up with half a glass of water. So we let that boil. And then if my ingredients are not out from the night before, and I did do that at first just to get into the habit of doing this, I go and grab everything. So we're grabbing the Himalayan salt, we're grabbing the grated lemon peel, we're grabbing a lemon, a knife, a spoon, and a cutting board. And if Brad's really lucky in the morning and I feel in a good mood, he'll get a drink too. So we cut our lemon in half. And there's no fancy way to do this, just cut the lemon in half. Then we cut the lemon in half again. Or I'll cut it into 3/4. So just kind of depending on how many lemons I have left when we're hitting the grocery store next. I take out all the seeds because the seeds really gross me out. So just a little fun fact. So we make sure all the seeds are out. I grab my pot of hot water and I pour it in. So it's about half-half. I like to have something warm in the morning, but you can either have less cold water if you really wanted it hot, or you could have less hot water so it's a little more cool. So from here, I think there's still a seed in there. I'm butchering this lemon. So we squeeze the lemon into the water. And lemon is really, really good to have first thing in the morning. I have a blog post about this, so go check it out. I'll link it in the description here into why lemon is so good for you. But it's a detoxifier, so it's getting rid of all the stuff in our gut, and gut health is very important, and it just clears you out, for lack of a better word, for the day. So then I don't know how to accurately measure this, like a little pinch of grated lemon peel, and we toss that in as well, so it's just more citrus. The grated lemon peel is really, really good for you, so I do add some of that in. And then, I don't know if Bradley knows this because this is something new that I've been doing. I take my pink Himalayan salt. It has to be pink Himalayan salt. Table salt does not work. It's got to be pink Himalayan salt. And I just add like less than a turn. So just a little bit here. Pink Himalayan salt has a lot of magnesium, potassium, and calcium in it, so I've been adding that to the water just for a little extra nutritional boost. If you have a ton of coffee though, first thing in the morning, I have a cup myself, so like all the power to you. But if you have like more than a cup of coffee, maybe reduce the amount of pink Himalayan salt you're putting into, just so you don't get a headache. And then give it a stir. And we cheers. And that's it. It takes less than 10 minutes to do. It's made a world of difference for my morning routines and for my overall health. So enjoy.